Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to uninstall app in iPhone from settings. So if you want to uninstall a particular application from your iPhone via the settings, then here's a video for you. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to uninstall app in iPhone from settings, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general. On the general page, click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down, you should see all your application on your iPhone. Click on show all to have access to all the applications you have installed on your iPhone. Now to delete or uninstall any of this application, click on it. Now go ahead and click on delete app. Then spot that says delete application. Then this is going to uninstall the app via the settings page. Go ahead and click on delete. And then you are good. So that is basically how to uninstall app in iPhone from settings. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.